this is when safety is of importance, guys. Here at Fat Man's, we had a car going on the track. This gentleman right here, Slovin. Doing all right? Yeah. Good. So definitely got a little squirrely, got a little wet out there. It's been raining earlier this morning.
Yes, for sure.
And safety did his job, dude.
Hey,
look at that.
Cars
So you pulled the chute. Yeah,
yep.
Cars can be replaced, not people.
Exactly.
So you pulled the chute to try to slow down.
Pulled the chute.
And he was on a pass.
He was on as fast as fast. But
damn.
by the time the chute deployed, it's too late.
Yeah.
540 in the 8th. Yep.
So the only reason why, guys, I'm even shooting this, to be honest with you, is to tell you that safety is first. And just like he just said, you can replace cars, you can't replace people. So it's unfortunate, but he walked away from it. Probably be a little bit sore tomorrow. And this is exactly why on the channel I've been talking a lot about safety with my cars. I gotta creeping into that area that, you know, you get too fast and it's just, you can't control it.
No, you can't. It's impossible.
Once the tires get wet and unload,
it's over. Too fast.
Yep. And trying to react to something like this, guys, is almost impossible. 8.2 deck, isn't it? Small block Ford?
Yep.
Yeah. Motor's not hurt?
No, she'll start today.
Shit. All right. You just need a shell, don't you?
Oh, we got one back up.
Do you? I always have a shell on backup. I'm glad you're okay.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Watson sent me a message. Katie Watson sent me a message that said, "Look, I'm like, son of a serious?"
Yeah. Not as fast as fast. Hit a little fucking
540,
water.
wasn't it? You said 540 in the 8th. You still got his 8th mile time, though. You still got your 8th mile time, though, didn't you?
I still got a time in the other lane, too. It's still doing 50.
Yeah.